Hi guys, since the festive season is on, I thought of sharing my skincare routine that I follow to get beautiful, bright and glowing skin. To know how I do it, keep on watching. Starting with an anti-acne face wash, this one is from Kama Ayurveda. I make sure that I include at least one anti-acne product in my skincare routine because I do not want any breakouts on my face during this festive season. This one is a self-foaming face wash and it really works very well for me. This does not lather up much but cleanses the face very nicely without drying my skin. It makes sure that my skin does not break out, or even if there is any breakout, it dries it up really quickly. Next, I'm using Biotique's Bio Papaya Tan Removal Scrub because this is the time to get rid of that summer tan. I like to scoop out a good amount of scrub and put it onto my face, spreading it nicely on my face and scrubbing off the dead skin. I use a very light hand and very light pressure, not being harsh on my skin, and I like to emphasize on areas which are very prone to blackheads, that is just around my nose and cheeks, my forehead, my chin, and gently scrubbing the rest of my face. And this definitely leaves my skin looking brighter, getting rid of all the tan, and my skin feels so soft and supple. Face masks are many handy treatments that you give to your skin, and for my forehead especially I would be using this plum green tea face mask as I have a lot of breakouts and small acne on my forehead, and this really helps reducing them, calming my skin down while providing the antioxidant benefits of green tea. I will be multi-masking today because why not, we can address two concerns at the same time. For the rest of my face I will be using the Innisfree Super Volcanic Clay Mask. I'm applying a nice thick layer on my entire face, and with this mask I see instant results. Whenever I want to deep clean and brighten up my skin, I go for this mask. This reduces the size of my pores while controlling the amount of sebum that my face produces. It brightens up my face while providing a soothing and relaxing sensation. It gets rid of all the dirt and impurities that are settled deep inside the pores and provides instant brightening. If you have oily skin, I highly recommend you give this a try. I like to keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes until it's completely dry. Washing it off with normal tap water and my face definitely feels firmer, softer, and my pores feel deeply cleansed, leaving my face brighter. Using a green tea face mist as a toner and spraying it all over my face, this feels so good and relaxing, I can't tell you. Gently massaging the mist on my face so it penetrates deeper into my skin and gets absorbed quickly. This also prepares my skin for all the products that I'm gonna apply next. Next, using the Facial White Seed Brightening Serum, I totally love this, and you can clearly see that I'm running out of it. Applying it generously all over my face and massaging and patting it into my skin. I give this step a minute or two so that the serum gets absorbed into my skin nicely. I absolutely love this serum. You can use any brightening serum as per your preference. And now sealing in all the goodness using the plum green tea night gel. This is my all-time favorite. As I have oily skin, this keeps my skin hydrated while keeping the oily look away. Hydrating your skin is the key to achieve bright and glowing skin. If your skin is dehydrated, it would automatically appear dull. That means drinking lots of water too. And finally, a lip balm that keeps my lips soft, supple and moisturized. And that is all I do to achieve brighter glowing skin. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week. Bye.